Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alicia, and yes, I am back with another video. All right, so if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now and turn on your post notifications. I do thank you guys for watching the videos. It helps the channel a lot, but please subscribe. Okay, all right, video, so I'll be doing a Amazon's favorite video, and these are all items that I found randomly or I've gone searching for, but these are great items that I love and I know that you guys will like them too. However, do your research before you buy them, okay? All right, it may seem as if I shop a lot, guys, but honestly I don't. It's just that I get almost everything from Amazon because, you know, with Amazon Prime, yes, you get your stuff on time. And yeah, I just rhymed. So the first item I have to show you guys is this pack of rug grippers, and it is by the brand Sport Pillow. Yes, and what this does is it keeps the rugs flat and it keeps them in place. Now, when I bought this, I was very skeptic because I have wood floors and I was saying, oh my God, I don't want to use it, and then it destroys the floor. And I'm saying, how would I get the glue and all of that off the floor? But trust me, I was surprised by it. I had the rug on my floor and I used these, of course, for like 2 months, and then I got tired of it, and of course I wanted to wash it. Yeah, so I took them up, and trust me, it left no marks on the floor. You couldn't tell that there was a rug there. I just simply peeled it off and it came up like a dream, like amazing. All right, so let me show you guys what it looks like. So it comes like this, and this is the large size, I believe. It's very easy to use, and trust me, it works very well. Now, these can be used on wood floors, laminate floors, tile, and even linoleum. So if you have a child in the house and you don't want them to trip on the rug and fall, or if the rug keeps sliding, then these are what you need. They're very good, and the instructions are on the box, and of course it shows you how to use it. Like, you can put it in the corner. If you have a smaller rug, you can do it like this. You don't have to use as much. This is when you put it on the edge, and if you have a circular rug, this is how you would apply it. So these are a good buy. This is a pack of 16 and I paid around $7 or $8 for it. And yeah, I will of course try to link it in the description. If I cannot find the exact brand, I will link something that's close to it. All right, so the second item I have to show you guys is this. Yeah, and I know what you're thinking, why is she showing us foil paper? It's not foil paper, guys. This is a kitchen backsplash. You just simply put it behind your stove or on the side of your stove, wherever you want to protect. And it doesn't look tacky, guys. It looks real good, especially if you have like stainless steel appliances. Yeah, it looks real good and real classy. All you have to do is measure the amount that you want, and there are even lines at the back to help you to keep it straight. So all you have to do is to peel off the backing, right, and just stick it on the wall. And trust me, guys, if you do not have a backsplash, then you need something like this. If not this, but something else to protect your walls, because if you keep wiping the walls, then, you know, of course you can wipe off the paint, right? You do know that. Yeah, so this is very easy to clean, guys. Like, you can use whatever cleaning solution you use in your kitchen to keep it clean. It's a good buy, and I think this is 15.6 times 117 inches. Yeah, that's the dimensions of it, so you do get quite a lot of it. Yeah, so yeah, and for this I paid $12.99. So the next item I have to show you guys, it's very random, but I am glad I found it, right? So it's these wood protectors, and these are for your chairs. Yeah, so all you have to do is to slip it onto the legs of your chair, and they have different sizes, right? Now, these came in a pack of 16, and for that I paid, let me tell you, For that I paid $11.29, and the brand is I linked the brand below. It's Ankwek or something like that. It's a funny name. All right, but trust me, these are worth every dollar. So if you look at the way it's made, it's more narrow at the top. Actually stays on the chair legs. It won't fall off. When you move the chair, you hear nothing at all. It protects your floors like a dream. Trust me, it is worth every penny. All right, so as I said, they have them in different sizes, they have them in different colors, they have them in different shapes. So dependent on your chair, you do your research and you get the correct size, right? And this does stretch, so yeah, it can fit. It fits like a range, because this one fits between 1 to 1 and 3/16 inch. So there is some give and take with the sizing. But as I said, do your research, and if you need something to protect your floors and it goes with your decor and the type of chair that you have, then these are well worth it. So the next item I have to show you guys is this 1-foot extension cord. Like, can you say lifesaver? You know, sometimes when you want to plug something into the wall and it's a little bit short, but you do not want to use that long extension cord, and then you have to find a way. You have to find a way to hide it for decor purposes or just for safety reasons. Like, this comes in so handy. And what I really love about it is that this part in here, this part here rotates, right? See, it rotates. So sometimes when you have something plugged in, based on the shape, it cannot accommodate something else like this. Now you can spin it to insert it however you like. Yeah, but what I really love about this is just the length of it. It is so convenient. Like, trust me, lifesaver, especially for me. Very convenient. And it is, as I said before, 1 foot. And it has a 360-degree rotating plug. Yeah, I guess that's it. And the brand is Maxim, M-A-X-I-M-M. So for the extension cord, I paid $13.49. And it was, to me, it was worth every penny. Yeah. Moving on to the next item. The next item is one that I've been loving, and it's very helpful around the house. A lot of you guys know it, but I just started using it, and trust me, it is not hyped up. It really does work. And it is the Gorilla Glue, the Gorilla Super Glue. All right, and this is the gel format, and it is the 0.71 ounce. All right, one thing about this though, make sure wherever you put this, you actually want the item to stay. This is no joke. This is like really super glue, and be very careful when you're using it so it doesn't get on your hands and stuff. But if you want a glue that works, this works. So for this I paid $6.07. Item is one that I believe everyone should have, right? It's not a necessity, but it is good to have. All right, and it is this furniture repair set. Listen, when you're moving, when you have kids, your furniture can get scuffed, or you know, sometimes you even buy new furniture, and when they put it together and they leave, you realize that there are certain imperfections on it. I believe that everyone should have one of this in their house. It comes in very handy, and I've used mine already, so it is open. It has a lot of different colors. It has let me tell you the different colors. It has all the different shades here. It has 8 unique shades. It has black, it has gray, it has white, it has mahogany, maple, oak, cherry, and walnut. So whatever the color of your furniture, there is a color here to match it, right? So this helps to restore and repair your furniture. It has 8 repair markers. 8 wax crayons, and it even has a sharpener. All right, so there you go. It's 17 pieces. For this, I paid $14.99. All right, so the next item I have to show you guys is something that I bought for my niece, and it is this writing tablet. Listen, I don't know about you guys, but I've had it up to here. I've had it up to here with crayons and pencils and pens, right? She still has those, but she uses them less now. This writing pad comes with a pencil, and all she has to do is to say she's writing, then to clear the screen, she just uses this. You click the nose and it all goes away. All right, so I really love this because, as I said, it reduces her need to use pens and pencils, and reduces the urge for her to write on the walls. Okay. All right, so it's good for traveling. I use this also when we're doing exercises like practicing letter sounds. So I would make the sound and then she would write the corresponding letter on here. Yeah, this I paid $13.19. All right, and it is the macaroon doodle board. Okay. The next item I have to show you guys is something that I also bought for my niece, and it is a pack of pre-K charts, and this has every topic that you could think of. It's very good. She loves it. As you can see, it's very colorful, right? And it has like 12 pieces. It has numbers, right? It has opposites. It has opposites. It has the seasons on it. It has numbers 1 to 100. It has farm animals. It has a lot on it. It has the alphabet. What else? It has colors. It has the weather. It has the month of the year. Well, she knows her 2D shape, so this is I cut it into 2, guys. So yeah, it has 3D shapes. It has everything. It has everything you could think of, and anything that you would need to teach a toddler. It has one that teaches them the time. It comes with 12 pieces, and I paid $19.89. Like, honestly, I think it was a bit overpriced for me because, you know, I have to save my coins, but I do not regret purchasing it because it helped her a lot, and it helped me to teach her a lot of things. All right, those are all the items I have for today, and as I said before, I will link all the items in the description. If I cannot find the exact item, I will link one that's close to it. All right, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Remember, guys, to like the video, to comment, to share the video, and of course, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you are liking the content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will not miss an upload from me. So until next time, stay blessed and bye.